On the 1st of September, Runway takes away the feature that made its $95 plan worth $95. The price doesn't change. What you're allowed to do with it does. And Runway is calling that an upgrade. This is AI yourself. Today, what Runway is actually removing on September 1st, whether the new plan is worth keeping, and what $95 a month buys you somewhere else. Here are the facts, straight from Runway's own help pages. The unlimited plan becomes the max plan on the 1st of September, 2026. The price stays at $95 a month. Your monthly credits go from 2,250 up to 9,500, more than 4 times as many, and any you don't use rollover for a month. That all sounds like a win. And then there's the third line. Explore mode is gone. In Runway's own words, a generation mode that doesn't use credits. Unlimited generations, no counter ticking down. The catch was speed, a relaxed queue, shared across everyone on the plan. That sounds like a limitation. For the people paying for this plan, it was the whole point, because making something good with these tools isn't 1 generation, it's 40. You try a prompt, it's nearly right, you nudge it, you go again. Explore mode meant that loop was free. Slow, but free. What replaces it is the opposite trade, finite, but instant. So if you were stuck waiting on that queue, this is genuinely better for you. If you were the one running 40 versions of the same shot, you just lost the reason you were paying. So is 4 times the credits enough to cover it? Runway publishes every number you need. Its flagship model right now is Gen 4.5, at 12 credits per second of video. 9,500 credits, at 12 a second, is just under 13 minutes of finished video. Runway's own page says 12.5. Either way, that's your month. Drop to the cheaper turbo model at 5 credits a second and you get about 31 minutes instead. That's the real trade-off inside the plan. Now, the part with a date on it. If you pay monthly, you don't have to do anything. You move to max automatically, same price, on the 1st of September. If you pay annually, you have a choice, and you only have it during August. You can cancel and take a refund for the months you've got left, or you can accept a bonus of credits and move over to max. Runway doesn't say how big that bonus is. So if you're on the annual plan, that's a question worth asking them before the month runs out, because after the 31st the choice isn't there anymore. Which brings us to the third option. Leaving. And here's the thing worth knowing before you do, Runway isn't first. It's second. Luma, the company behind Dream Machine, sold a plan at $94.99 a month whose headline feature was, in their words, unlimited relaxed generations. Same idea as Explore mode, near enough the same price. They killed it in early 2026. 6 months before Runway. And here's the bit I like, Luma's own help page still advertises that plan today. Their actual pricing page has 3 tiers, $30, $90, $300, and not one says unlimited anything. So who still gives you unlimited video for around $100? The answer is a pattern, not a company. Kriya says unlimited. LTX Studio says unlimited. Freepik says unlimited. In every case the unlimited part is the image models, and video is still metered. Unlimited didn't die, it retreated to images. Video compute never got cheap enough to give away. The one real exception is Midjourney. $60 a month on Pro, and Relax mode video genuinely is unlimited. The catch is resolution, 480. Standard definition. That, in 2026, is what unlimited actually costs you. So for most people the real question isn't unlimited or not. It's how many seconds you get. Luma's Pro plan is $90 for 40,000 credits, at 720, about 2,000 seconds a month, call it 4.5 cents a second. Runway's Turbo is 5 cents, so those two are close. Runway's flagship is 12. To be fair to Runway, this isn't a rip-off. Per credit, Max is the best value plan they sell, over 4 times Pro's credits for less than 3 times the price. But one specific thing, Veo 3.1 bought through Runway is around 20 cents a second. Google sells you the same model directly for about 12.5. You're paying roughly 60% more for having it in one place. So, 3 answers, depending on which one you are. If you were queue-bound and you mostly want your generations now, stay. Max is a better plan for you than Unlimited was. If you iterate heavily, if 40 attempts is a normal Tuesday, 13 minutes a month won't hold you. Your options are Midjourney at $480, or accepting that the free iteration era is simply over. And if you're on the annual plan, decide in August. Not because I think you should leave, but because doing nothing is also a decision, and it's the only one you can't reverse. Same price, 4 times the credits, and the one feature that made it worth it, gone. Luma did it 6 months ago, and Runway is doing it now. Whether that's an upgrade really does depend on how you work. That's AI yourself. Like this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.